Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to convert video to PDF to hide the video in your iPhone. So you have a video and now you want to completely hide the video. Here's how to do it. First of all, go to your Photos app and just search for the video, which video you want to hide. So for example, I want to hide this video. So we have to save the video in our Files app. So open the video and tap on the share icon, and here just tap on Save to Files, and now select a folder where you want to save the video. So here's I'm going to on my iPhone and selecting Chrome folder and saving the video here. Once the video successfully saved in your Files app, and now you can delete the video from your Photos app. So select and hold the video, tap on delete and delete the video. And now go to your Files app and just go to the folder where you just saved the video. So here's I'm going to my Chrome folder, and in my Chrome folder here we can see the video. Now to hide this video, hard press on the video, tap on rename, and as you can see currently this is a MOV format video. So to hide the video by making the video format PDF, all you have to need, remove the current format from the video, and after the video name give a dot and type PDF, and then tap on done and just tap on use.pdf. Once you successfully changed the video format to PDF, as you can see this file is not opening anymore because this file has been successfully converted to a hidden file. As you can see, it's not working or not opening. So here no one will be able to find this is a video, and no one will be able to open the hidden video. And now if you want to again view or unhide the video, you have to change the PDF format. So hard press on the video and tap on rename and just remove PDF format from the video and type MOV, tap on done, tap on use.mov, and the video will be again unhide, as you can see. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.